Hi, we'll be solving an inequality problem today. So which of the following must be non-negative? So 5 option choices are given to us and we are supposed to find which of them is non-negative. Now, in order to solve this kind of problems, you need to remember a concept that square of a number is always non-negative, right? So if you're able to figure out or convert any of these option choices into square of a number, we can safely say that that number will be non-negative. So if you look at option 1, it's difficult to do that because I have a minus 0.9 and a minus 1. We can try numbers and see if this is non-negative, but let's park it for now. Option B says a minus 1 times a plus 1. That means this is equal to a square minus 1 square or is equal to a square minus 1. Now we are not sure, right, whether this is non-negative or not, because if a is equal to, let's say 0, this becomes negative. But if let's say a is equal to 2, this becomes positive, right? So let's park this one for now. Option number C says a plus 0.9 multiplied by a plus 1. Now at first glance, you might think that this is a positive number, right? Because I have a plus 0.9 multiplied with a plus 1. But there's a catch here, right? Because if a is a negative number between 0.9 and 1, then one of these terms will become positive, another term will become negative. And if you're multiplying both of them, it will actually become a negative number. So we are also not sure about this one. Let's look at option number D. It says a minus 0.9 multiplied with a minus 0.9. So this becomes a minus 0.9 whole square. Now this is square of a number, right? That means this value will be non-negative. Now the minimum value of this expression will be equal to 0 when a is equal to 0.9. Otherwise, this value will be positive. So that means option number D is actually our answer. Let's look at option number E also, which says a multiplied with a plus 1. Now it will be negative when a is equal to minus 0.5 or any value between 0 and minus 1. Now answer will be option number D for this problem. Now this problem also involved concepts of positive and negative numbers and inequality. If you want to master the concepts for the same, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.